Hi, I'm Julielinh Mouret and welcome back to my channel. The Super Bowl is almost here, and did you know that the two most popular Super Bowl snacks are wings and pizza? Today I'm going to show you my favorite Korean style barbecue wings. They're the perfect twist to your everyday buffalo chicken wings. All right, let's get started. Cheers.
For this recipe, you will need wings, apple cider, soy sauce, rice wine, sesame oil, onion powder, toasted sesame seeds, garlic, ginger, and green scallions.
Okay, so I'm transferring the wings into a Ziploc gallon-sized bag. I would suggest you marinate this for about 3 hours, but it's even better if you marinate it for overnight. Okay, now that I've transferred all the wings into the bag, I'm going to make the marinade. We're gonna use our soy sauce, apple cider. This is why I love David Chang's recipe. I'm loosely going off of his because he doesn't make me finely grate and peel an Asian pear or an apple. The fact that he cuts out all that hassle, I love him for it, so I really like this recipe. That was onion powder. This is a sesame oil with ají in it, so it's slightly spicier. And this is rice wine. If you do not have rice wine, you can substitute it for sherry or white grape juice. Now, I did not include the brown sugar because I think the apple cider provides enough sweetness and I didn't want to add any extra sugar to it, but feel free, you can also add in a 1/3 cup of brown sugar if you'd like. I'm gonna set this aside. All right, now it's time to add in the garlic. I'm gonna put this through a press. If you don't have a press, just use minced garlic. But I use about 3 cloves. You can use up to 6. Koreans love garlic in their recipes, and I don't blame them. They have a lot of great health benefits. Mix that in. And now it's time for the ginger. Easiest way to peel a ginger is using a spoon. See how easy that is? If you're not a fan of ginger, don't worry, you don't have to use ginger in your recipe. And now it's time to add in the black pepper. Once your marinade looks like that, we're going to dump it into the Ziploc bag. We're gonna close it, massage it, and throw it in the refrigerator for about 3 hours. Okay, if you don't have time to do this marinade, I promised you a hack. You can get these 2 marinades, either one. One is for beef ribs, the other one is for chicken and poultry. The other one is for chicken and pork. They're just as good. I just prefer to do a homemade one, but I will drop the link on where to get them in my description below. Or if you're near an Asian market, most Asian markets carry this, especially H Mart. All right, my grill is piping hot. Let's get cooking. Oh my gosh, this smells so good. I can't wait for you to try this recipe. Now that I have my chicken wings on the grill, I'm gonna baste it 1 time on each side. I'm really looking for that crispy skin, so I don't wanna baste it too much. So I'm gonna close the lid and cook this on medium for roughly about 30 minutes. You just constantly have to check it because you don't know. Everybody's grill's different. And because there's sugar in the marinade, it tends to caramelize and burn very, very quickly. So constantly check it, constantly flip it. Let's take a look. How are you today? How are you doing, my little chicken? Okay, ready? Okay, don't be afraid to constantly turn the chicken wings because you do not want to burn them. You want to keep a close eye on them. And I've actually lowered my temperature to low from medium. Okay, let's check on these. Wow, look at that. I think they're ready. Okay, these are done. I'm going to garnish it. Let's hope I do it correctly because I got 1 shot at garnishing these correctly. I'm sprinkling a bit of toasted sesame seeds on here and some green scallions. Here we go. And voila, Bon appetit. Let's eat.
What are you doing?
What? I eat chicken wings with a fork and a knife. How do you not know this? I drink beer out of a wine glass. Seriously?
It was pretty good.
They need to get this recipe.
Oh, I forgot the camera was still on. Yeah, this is pretty good.
Oh my god.
This is like something that like Costco should already sell like made. And you just put in the oven. It's
know-
good.
Eat me! Eat me! Eat me! What? What's better than wings and beer? Nothing.
What are you?
Hello. Hello, Moto.
They come with Q-tips too. You can clean the dishes
That's so,
afterwards.
that is so disgusting. Do not give people ideas. We do not need ideas like that. You know somebody's gonna end up in the ER
Yeah.
saying, I watched this show and they put the chicken bone in their ear to clean out their ear.
That's how you get publicity though, right?
Yeah, I don't want that type. I don't want that